cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today it is Super Science Saturday and it's a collaboration that I have with Vickie over at Vickie's Country Home and a couple other wonderful ladies. Now be sure to go down below and check out their links as well. And we're doing my grandpa's cucumber salad. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today because we're gonna be doing another Super Side Saturdays. This recipe has no fancy dancy name. I've made it all my life on my grandpa's farm, and I've always known it as my grandpa's cucumber salad, so that's what we're going to be calling it, because after all, it is my recipe. So I got myself some cucumbers here. I have myself my nice little fancy dancy gadget that you must need for this recipe, because we always sat there and put the fork in a little bit and then we ran it down the sides of the cucumber just as such. Now I'm going to continue to do this to mine and we'll be back when I'm done with that one as well. Alright, now that our cucumbers have them nice little fancy lines going all the way down on all sides, we're going to sit there and just trim off the ends of the cucumber and dispose of them. Oops, I'm sorry. I don't mean to bump the camera all the time, folks, but the camera is right before me, and a lot of times it's hard for me to even see what I'm doing because the camera is right here and my workspace is right here. So now I hope that's down in view. Okay, now go ahead and just slice your cucumbers all up. I'll see you when I'm all done. I have all of our sliced up cucumbers here in our little bowl. Now I have another bowl here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to make the dressing. Now, I'm sorry folks, this recipe doesn't come with any specific measurements. You take some mayonnaise or Miracle Whip or Hellmann's, whatever you would use. And it doesn't take much. I have some vinegar. I'm going to go ahead, give that just a touch of vinegar. It takes some sugar. And then it takes a little bit of salt. Takes a little bit of pepper. And now go ahead and mix this all up. And then we're going to give it a taste test and sit there and see if it needs to have anything else added to it, or more of, you know, let's say it's not tangy enough. Well, then you would just sit there and add some more vinegar. Or if it's not sweet enough, add some more sugar. So I'm just going to take one of these and I'm just going to give it a taste test. Now my grandpas would tell you, I always did like it on the sweet side, so I do like mine a little bit sweeter. going to give it another little taste test. Spot on. Now, we're going to sit there and add the dressing to the bowl of the cucumbers here. Now, make sure you mix this all well. Now, that's how easy it is to sit there and make my grandpa's cucumber salad. Now, this salad is a salad that you're not going to want to sit there and make ahead. This is a salad that is made to be made right before you sit down to eat. So keep that in mind. Now, if you have any leftovers, now remind yourself, cucumbers are made with a lot of water. So they're going to sit there and extract a lot of water out. So it's going to be really runny when you come to any leftovers. But usually, in my family, there is no leftovers on my grandpa's cucumber salad. Well, you just saw how easy it was to make my grandpa's cucumber salad. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, hey, go up there and hit that subscribe button. Tap that little bell, that way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, thank you for taking the time to sit here and watch my video. And y'all come back now. You hear?